Why, hello! You might be wondering what we're doing sitting around eating ice cream when we should be packing up to move in just a few weeks' time.
Well, we're taking a well-earned break. Even though we're not moving that far, we figure we should experience what it has to offer while we're here.
So we want to show you today one of our favorite summertime day trips, Rocky Point Park. Hit that subscribe button and join our adventure.
So we really love this park because it's near the water, and that means in the summer there's a nice cool breeze. And in the winter it's actually a little bit warmer. And there's all sorts of things to do as well.
Yeah, like walking trails, bike trails, there's swimming, picnic areas, craft breweries, even food.
We'll get to that soon. So Rocky Point Park is in the town of Port Moody, about 24 kilometers from Vancouver, or 15 miles.
Yeah, it sits at the eastern tip of the Brewer Inlet. Fun fact, that's also the furthest point inland that the ocean comes into BC.
So parking here can be a little tricky in the summer. We've actually done a little trick and parked at the City Hall and Rec Center, which is only maybe about a 20-minute walk to the main park down a really nice pathway. You can also park on Clark Street, that's kind of closer to their downtown area, and that works really well too. You just have to kind of walk up over the bridge, but be really careful about time limits. For instance, in this lot there's a 4-hour maximum, and there's maximums at all the other places too, so just keep an eye on your watch. People don't pay attention to here.
You can also get here by SkyTrain. If you ride the Millennium Line Evergreen Extension to Moody Centre Station, get off here, hang a right outside of the station to the end of the parking lot, and then walk yourself right up over the bridge and you'll be right into Rocky Point Park. You can buy a ticket at one of these machines, or a Compass card, which is kind of a frequent pay card. Or more recently, you can use a tap-enabled credit card to tap your way through the machine.
We bring all our visiting family and friends here. It's just such a great place. We come for the food, but then we also come for the walking trail to walk all that off. Everything you need to have a great day here is in the description below.
One of our favorite places is Pajo's Fish and Chips. They are regularly voted some of the best fish and chips in the Lower Mainland here. And they have what we really like, which is super unique, a salmon fish and chips. And so that's what we come here for. They also have bottomless fries. They're locally owned. They have 4 locations around here. We're not being paid to say this. We actually just love their fish and chips. Good?
Good.
Jason always gets like 4 tartar sauces.
The tartar sauce is the most important part. We love Rocky Point ice cream. It's local, it's small batch, they've got about 30 flavors. There's always a massively long lineup because it's so good. And it is nice and warm, so it is melting quickly. So we're gonna get back to eating it.
They have vegan options too. There are 5 craft brewers along here. You can try one or all of them. They're all within a short walking distance of each other. This is why we recommend coming on SkyTrain. Then everyone can sample. Don't drink and drive. All of them have product on tap or for takeaway purchase in growlers or cans. All of them are unique, and we don't have a favorite because they're all good and have their own vibe. Oh my gosh, guys, so we had so much fun there, we totally forgot to wrap up. So we're home now. And yeah, so go check out Rocky Point Park if you're in the Vancouver or Port Moody area. It's a great time. There's lots of fun activities, lots of great food, and those breweries are really awesome. We just didn't get to check them out this time because we were so full from our fish and chips and ice cream.
And of course, be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Give us some comments and share this video with your friends.
You bet.
And remember, when you roam, everywhere is home. So Rocky Point Park is in the port of... Rocky Point Park is in the Port of Vancouver.
Town of Port Moody.
Alright, now you gotta set this here. You gotta set this here to time warp video.